Sign making has a long history of helping businesses reach their audience. It's a craft that has seen changing times and has even helped change them.
My team and I have been part of this industry for a long time. We've seen firsthand the challenges that sign makers face every day. Out of necessity, we developed a complete lighting solution to streamline and simplify this process. We are now making this complete solution available to all sign makers.
TLS stands for Tension LED System. Our LED boards are connected to a tension cable array that anchors into U channels. It's unbelievable how our solution has enhanced and simplified so many aspects of lighted sign making.
Integrating a light system into frame boxes that comes in all different shapes and sizes has become a time-consuming challenge, to say the least. We've developed software that generates detailed assembly instructions based on your dimensions. This process is accomplished in minutes for what used to take hours.
One terrific advantage of the TLS is that it doesn't require any substrate or backing for assembly. It can be integrated into any existing light box, reducing the cost of traditional assemblies. Without a backing, we now have the option of double-sided signs with only one system.
When dealing with larger light boxes, we often struggle with the logistics of transportation. Our cost would skyrocket and handling was a constant stress. The TLS is collapsible and easily rolls up to be shipped and transported worry-free.
The TLS was designed not only to simplify the installation and maintenance of lighted signage, but to achieve perfect, even lighting as well. This means no more hotspots and a light quality that makes the final product pop and look flawless. We take great pride in what we've accomplished.
I have a passion for this industry, and we plan to keep innovating and adapting to whatever the future may hold. I believe that the best innovations make things simpler, easier, and more affordable.